Let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a king, Dashratha of Ayodhya. He had four brave sons, Ram, Bharat, Lakshman, and Shatrughan. Due to some series of events, Ram was sent to exile for 14 years. He left Ayodhya with his beautiful wife Sita and younger brother Lakshmana. Our puppet story unfolds as forest, where one day Sita lays her eyes on a beautiful deer. She asked her husband Ram to catch it for her. The deer was sent by the Ravana, the evil king of Lanka, who had 10 heads. Deer lured Ram and took him away from Sita and Lakshmana so that Ravan could kidnap Sita. When Rama was chasing deer, it imitated the voice of Ram and cried, "Lakshmana, Sita," for help. Sita got frightened by hearing the voice of Rama. So Lakshman left Sita to help Ram. But before leaving, he drew a line outside the house and asked Sita to do not cross it. And this line is known as Lakshman Rekha. And he left to save Ram. Ravana was waiting for this opportunity and disguised himself as a holy man and approached Sita for alms. When Sita came close to offer alms, she realized that it was not a holy man, but a demon Ravana. Ravana kidnapped Sita and took her to the Lanka. Ravana kept Sita as a prisoner in a beautiful garden, Ashok Vatika. Back to the forest. Ram and Lakshman did not find Sita anywhere. They looked everywhere. Then they met Hanuman and Sugriv in forest during the search of Sita. Ram chanced upon the monkey army of Sugriv. As Hanuman could fly, he was sent to Sita to tell her that the Lord Ram is coming with monkey army of Sugriv to release her. Hanuman managed to reach Lanka and gave message of Ram to Sita. And then he came back to Lord Ram. And the monkey army began to build the bridge to cross the sea to reach Lanka. It is said that the monkey army picked up huge boulders and wrote Ram on it and created a floating bridge on the sea. During the battle, the demon Ravana lost many soldiers and his important men, like younger brother Kumbhakarna and son Indrajita. Then the important battle began between Ram and Ravana. Every time Ram cut off one of Ravana's head, but another one grew back and back. At the last, Ram used Brahmastra to kill Ravana and targeted bow on the navel of Ravana. At last, Ravana get killed. This day is celebrated as Dussehra and the victory of Ram over the demon Ravana and the victory of good over evil. Happy Dussehra to all. Thank you.